How to download and log into Peacock TV app on your Android device. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily download the Peacock TV app on your Android device. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us get right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Google Play Store on your device and then head over to the search bar on the bottom right corner. Now from here, you are just going to search for Peacock TV and you will find this official app on your device. So all you have to do is hit the install button right here and it will start downloading the app on your device. Wait for it to download completely, then you will just have to open up the app. And once the app is completely installed on your device, all you have to do is just open up the app. And now you will be taken directly to the login page. So here you will just have to provide your login credentials in order to sign into your account. So as you guys can see here on the top right corner, you have an option to sign in. And if you enter your email address and then your password and make sure that these login credentials are correct, then you will be easily able to sign into your account. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.